Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to order checks from Huntington Bank online. Open the website, then log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Service Center. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for checks. Under Checks, you will see an option for Order Checks. Click on Order Checks. Now, select the account from which you're going to order the check. After selecting, click on Begin Your Order. Then a new window will appear informing you that you're about to leave the site. To proceed, click on Continue. Now on this page, select the type of check you wish to order. Then here, review the account name and address to be included on your check. You could also change the font style by clicking Change Font under Check Imprint. After that, select the check style and quantity. Then click on the Proceed to Checkout button. A pop-up window will appear offering some add-ons. If you wish to add more, click on the tick box beside the item you wish to add, then click Add to Cart. If not, click on No, thanks. Now, enter your email address on the first field for the confirmation notification. Then scroll down to the bottom, and select the shipping method. After that, review all the information. If everything looks good, click on the Place Your Order button. That's how to order checks from Huntington Bank online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.